Hello amazing people, welcome back to a new video guys. How you all doing today? Hope you're all doing great and I hope you're generally fine guys. Today is a very quick and fast one, you can tell. I'll be showing you how to make the second part of this sleep probe. Yeah, so this was what we did in our previous video, how to make a sleep probe, well detailed. I'm linking it up in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it, and it's more interesting because I did some trick here and there on how to utilize a very small amount of fabric to achieve this. It was actually 2 years, you won't believe it, even though I would advise you to use more, but I was able to use that. So you see how I worked with that. So 2 years of this print, I cut out 23 inches out of it, which is what I'm using to make two slip cap. Yes, you heard it right, two slip cap here. So you can see me making my fold, the 23 by 60 inches. Done that. I'm repeating it for the lining I'm using. I folded into two along the 60 inches, like you see. I folded it again into four, and then I folded it again by the side. Okay, yeah, so this made it 8 folds. So you can see this, that's what I have. So I'm just laying the two of them together so that I can cut it out. Yeah, so I had to lay the black one so it can be visible for the marking. So I went ahead to mark what 11.5 inches all the way and marked out my curve. You can see I go ahead and cut. So here I just have my circles. So by the time you open this up, you can see I have 2 circles each. You can see this is giving us, definitely going to give us 2 caps here. That's it guys. So of course, what am I going to do? I lay the right side facing each other. So here I'm going to make hold this down with my pin just to put it in place. Then after that, I'll go ahead and sew half of an inch all the way. I'll sew half of an inch, but at a point in the circle I'll leave 2 inches. Okay, that is where I'll be passing it out from the other side. So you can see I've done that for the two. I've done this half inches sew round. Then that open space of 2 inches, I went ahead to flip everything to the right side. After that, I'll give this a good press. And here I've done giving it a good press, and I'll go ahead now and mark out 0.5 inches again, which I'll be using what for the elastic casing. Yeah, because I'm using a half inches elastic casing, not really up to half inches though. So you can see marking out half of an inch all the way around. Do the same thing for the other side and sew. And you can see I've done that here. The next thing now is to what pass through my elastic. So this is my head circumference is 23 I'm working with. Take away 2 inches from that, and that's how I got my elastic casing here. So I'm using my safety pin now to pass this through it out. Okay, 21 inches is okay because I'm still going to tie it a knot afterwards. So just passing the elastic casing all through. Okay, so after that, of course, I'll go ahead now and make a knot. Okay, so after tying it out, then you can now cut out the excesses. Guys, like we're done here. That's it, as easy as it is. Once I'm done, the opening there, I'll go ahead and stitch it. Stitch it to cover up that part. Then the next and final thing to distribute the gathers evenly. And this is the sleep cup. It's all ready. Easy, guys. The easiest thing you can make. Like, everyone should be able to do this. That's it guys on how to make this sleeve cap. Thank you guys so much. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, share. If you've not subscribed, do that as well. Thank you so much guys. See you on the next video. Bye.